SmartThink Q. Have you ever accidentally left the refrigerator door open? Let us introduce you to the LG InstaView door-in-door refrigerator, which can send you notifications anytime, anywhere. The LG InstaView door-in-door refrigerator allows you to control the temperature of your refrigerator. And make ice even faster with your smartphone via Wi-Fi. Also, you can manage the cleanliness of your refrigerator in real time. Experience the LG SmartThink Q lifestyle for yourself. LG InstaView door-in-door refrigerator.